Connect the Xpella Vax Xpert device to the lure lock connection of the dressing tubing. Proceed to activate the device. Make sure the red button is on vac. Turn the handle away from the reservoir. The dressing will start to flatten due to suction and the plunger of the device will drop. Empty the air from the device. Open the plug. Press the button and turn the lid so that the button is on empty. Screw the handle towards the reservoir, removing all the air from the device. Reactivate the suction. Replace the plug. Turn the lid so that the button is back on vac. You will hear a click. Screw the handle away from the reservoir. These steps may need to be repeated until the air is removed from the dressing. Suction will then be maintained on the dressing.